Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to upgrade our hatch door lights. Come on, let's go. Alright, so we're upgrading our hatch door lights. These are from CARTRIMHOME.com. If you want to purchase them, I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my discount code FG7P to save 7% off your purchases. Alright, so these are dual color, so white and red. So again, these are LED. Pretty straightforward installing this. We just need to basically piggyback on the single LED light in our cargo area. So we need to fish this also on our door, okay, so that we can get that power that we need. Okay, so what we get in the box is we get the wire, the harness, the two LED kit, and then we have a pry tool, we need the connectors, we have a dual-sided screwdriver, Phillip head, and a flathead. Alright, so again, these are dual color, red and white. Alright, and they are dimmable also. Come on, let's go in the car. Let me show you what to remove. Alright, so first of all, I already have some LED lights in this location. Okay, but these are not dual color. So these are only single color, and they're just like that. Okay, so basically if you don't have this, just pop off the covers. There will be plastic covers in here. Just pop them out like this. So again, they will have that notch in here, and just simply pop them out. There you go. Okay, and we'll have access to it already. Okay, so yeah, these are very easy to remove. So let me show you. Let's remove this. There you go. One on the side and one more on this side. And then here in the middle, there you go. It will hang. There you go. So the cable, so we need to remove this too. And if you see this cable, this is the one that's running this lights that I have in here. So again, the connectors, they're not the same, so I have to remove this old wiring. Again, in your case, if you don't have this lights, you're just gonna wire the new one, so you don't have to do this, skip this step basically. All right, well, be right back. Let me work on removing these wires first, okay? Okay, so now for the wiring, first we need to remove this so that we'll have better access on the headliner. And then we're gonna pass through the wire from the bottom, going up, okay, to the grommet here, and then going out here, and then we're gonna pass it through here. Then we can work on the wire where they're supposed to go, okay? So I made a little mistake, that's why I'm doing it that way, because I prematurely assemble the plug. I put it all together here without passing it through, because one way you can do it is pass through this wire from the top and then going down. So we're just gonna do it the other way around, okay? All right, I successfully passed it through from the top. I removed the plug from the pin, so it's easier. So just put some electrical tape, pass it through and down through the grommet to down the headliner in here. So just get enough wire to run to the factory area in here. So now we're gonna assemble the plug, okay? All right, so now on this one, so the one that has a red, okay, so this one has a red. If you're gonna position your plug in here, it will be on the left side, okay? So you will insert this on the left side. There you go. Then the other side, of course, the negative will go on all the black one will be on the right side. So left on the positive, or the one that has the red, and then black will be on the right. So now we need to figure out the one on the bottom. So this one, all you have to do is position it where it's gonna plug in. So if you're going to position it this way where the clip is, the black one that is connected to the red will be on the left. If I can push it through, and then the other one will be on the right side. So before we put the locks, so they have locks, this white thingy, before we put them there, let's test it. Go. All right, so now we need to test it. All right, so we got light, so we got the wiring correctly. So basically on this end, what we're just gonna do is we're gonna run this properly into the back panel, and then we're gonna work on the actual lights on the door. So on this one, you just need to run it on the headliner down to the panels, and we can easily reach it here. So let's pull that. Yeah, this will be easier if you get this pulled all the way. I'm just having hard time because of this. It is sticked in there and I don't have access to the hole. Should have access to it now. There you go, I can feel it. Okay, so there you go. It's out, and now we just have to plug that in. Easy, right? There you go. A lot easier than the other one. And the wire that they use here is a lot slimmer, easier to install. There you go. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix the grommet now, just before we forget it. So we're gonna plug that. We don't want any leaks. Now our roof. All right, now this one we can also put it back, and then just run this on their respective places. I think I don't need to remove this. I can just fish it through in here. That should be easy. Yep, no need to remove the whole panel, guys. We're just gonna pass it through. There you go, this wire in here. Now we're gonna test it. Awesome, so it's working. Tap and hold. It's brighter. Tap. Red. Tap and hold. Dimmer red. Tap off. Tap on. Tap and hold. Got dimmer. Tap and hold. It'll be brighter. Tap. Red. Yeah, you know. So yeah, so everything is working. Let's install it, and we're just gonna clean up the wiring. So just pop them in there. All right, so everything is set up. I already cleaned up the mess. Basically the wire, just cable tie them and then put back all of the panels. So as you can see here, one is set up on red, one is on white. So yeah, so you can have two different color on each side. So just tap, change it to red, tap and hold, it will dim, and then tap, it will turn off, tap, it will turn on, tap and hold, dim, tap, it will change color. All right, so tap and hold, it's basically the dimmer. Okay, so the dimmer settings is when you tap and hold, And then just the tap is basically it will cycle through the white, red, off or on. Okay, so yeah, so I like it. So let's leave it on red for now because we don't really use the RAV4 for cargo. Yeah, so I need to put this one back. So yeah, so everything is set up here. All right, so here are the night shots of the lights. So right now, as you see, they're on red. Let's switch them into white. It's white. Another one. Off and on. All right. So awesome. So they're very bright. So you can see here, it lights up the floor. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, so if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my discount code FG7P. Website will be in the description, but it will be CARTRIMHOME.com. All right, thank you for watching.